India launched its first private military aircraft production facility in Vadodara, initiated by Tata Advanced System Limited in collaboration with Spain's Airbus. This facility, a milestone in India's Make in India initiative, will manufacture 40 C-295 aircraft for the Indian Air Force, replacing the aging Avro fleet. Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, marking his first visit in 18 years, inaugurated the facility with PM Modi. The C-295 aircraft is versatile for tactical and emergency missions, expanding India's defense capabilities while fostering collaboration in trade, defense, and innovation between India and Spain.